Are you looking for a simple way to make everyday items look way more aesthetic and give them a personal touch? Hi, I'm Emma, and today I'm showing you 3 fun DIY label ideas that you definitely have to try. When I make my custom labels, I go for labels on roll. And at StickerApp, your labels come neatly wrapped around a roll, and all of the excess material is already removed, so you can just peel it off, place it straight away on your item, and in other words, it's super quick and super easy. And what I also love is that you can make them in basically any shape you want. It could be round, square, oval, you name it. Here we went for a kind of rectangle-y shape in some way, but I really love how they turned out. I'm very excited to use them. And the best part for me is that you can order them in relatively low quantities for a very good price. So it means that they are amazing for your DIY projects. If you want more information about this, you should check out the link in the description below. And without further ado, let's get into it. So idea number 1, spice jar labels. My spice situation at home used to be very chaotic, and I feel, or at least I hope, a lot of people can relate to this. There used to be all kinds of packaging, different jars everywhere. It was just a complete mess. So I decided to switch things up and go for a more consistent look with uniform spice jars and adding matching labels to all of them. For the labels, I went for craft paper material. Not only because it's very pretty and looks good, but also that you can write on it, which I have done here, as you can see, and I feel like it really gives up the whole homemade earthy vibe as well, which I'm going for. So if you are too, great tip for you as well. And I'm really happy how they turned out, and I'm so excited to place these on my shelf, and it will look like I have everything figured out. Idea number 2. Wine bottle labels. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party with friends, family. It could be a birthday party, anything really. And you want to have a consistent theme or just match the vibe with the party. Then, how fun would it be to have custom labels for it? It could be a fun quote, it could be pictures of you guys, it could be basically anything just related to the vibe you're going for. Fun example, I recently made this for my friend's wedding. I started off with creating a little logo with their initials on the front and a little date of the marriage, and then a cute little quote in the back, which I thought was very fitting for the occasion. And if you already are designing stuff like this, you can carry on with the same style in other elements. Like, for example, I helped my friend with creating envelope seals for the invitations, which is also a label on roll product. And then, finally, idea number 3, which is my personal favorite, candle labels. And I know you know a lot about me at this point, but I have one final thing to say, and it's that I love candles, especially the scented ones that smell like fresh cotton or clean new sheets, you know. For me, it's just as important that the candle is pretty, and I feel like it should match the vibe of my home, and I feel like I struggle a lot with finding the perfect candle. So instead of looking around forever, I decided to take the matter in my own hands, which is making custom labels myself. And all in all, it's just not only for your home. It could be if you have a business where you want to spice up your labels and make them more you, or if you want to give a gift to someone and make it more personal. I know I would love that gift, at least. So those were the 3 DIY ideas I had for labels for you today, and I really hope that you got some inspiration from this. And if you're planning on ordering from StickerApp, you can press the link down below and you can find all of the information you need. And now it's your turn to make your items a little bit more you. See you next time!